Today's world is accustomed to the term sexual harassment. Sexual harassment can be identified as a behavior. It can, in general terms, be defined as an unwelcome behavior of sexual nature. Sexual harassment at workplace is a universal problem in the world, whether it be a developed nation or a developing nation or an underdeveloped nation. Underdeveloped nation. Sexual harassment are the atrocities or cruelties against women being incurred or displayed at the workplace. Though these things are happening all across the globe, but workplace is some place where these things are regarded as highly barred. It is a problem giving negative effect to both men and women. It is seen to be happening more with women gender as they are considered to be more vulnerable section of the society. Hence, sexual harassment is a serious problem in workplace, and it has become one of those issues that receive a lot of negative attention. So, what actually is the sexual harassment? Sexual harassment has been identified as a term which is difficult to define as it involves a range of behaviors. Efforts have been made at both national and international levels to define this term effectively. Often the term is subject to different interpretations. Some believe that it is better not to mingle with female colleagues so that one does not get embroiled in a sexual harassment complaint. In reality, of sexual harassment incidents at workplace is that there is more to worry about underreporting than people misusing the law. Sexual harassment can include many of the things. Some of the things are as follows: actual or attempted rate of sexual assault, unwanted deliberate touching, leaning over, cornering or pinching, unwanted sexual teasing, jokes, remarks or questions, whistling at someone, kissing sounds, howling and smacking lips, touching an employee's clothing, hair, body, touching or rubbing oneself sexually around another person, showing pornography, and any other sort of physical, verbal, or non-verbal contact of sexual nature. Workplace actually includes any department, organization, undertaking, establishment, enterprise, institution, office, branch, or unit. Any private section organization or a private venture undertaking, enterprise, institution, establishment, society, trust, non-governmental organization, unit or service provider, carrying on commercial, professional, vocational, educational, entertainmental, industrial, health services or financial activities include the production, supply, sale, distribution, or services. Hospitals, nursing homes, sports institutions, whether they have the registration facility or not, any place visited by the employee arising out of or during the course of employment, including transportation provided by the employer for undertaking such journey, all are the workplaces. Sexual harassment clearly violates the fundamental right of a woman to equality under different articles. Her right to life under Article 21, Section 4, and her right to practice any profession or carry out any occupation, trade, or business. Article 21, Section 5, which includes a right to safe environment of free sexual harassment. In 2013, substantial changes were made in the way sexual harassment was viewed within the criminal system in India. The Criminal Law Amendment of 2013, which commenced on April 3, 2013, included Section 354A of the Indian Penal Code 1860 that defined sexual harassment. The Indian Penal Code 1860 has also defined the term sexual harassment and related offences and put forth punishment for the same. Various acts of sexual harassment actually invite various kinds of punishment. Like Article 354A, Section Harassment is unwelcome physical contact, advances including unwanted explicit sexual overtures, a demand or request of sexual favors, showing someone sexual images, pornography without their consent, and making unwelcome sexual remarks. The punishment is up to 3 years in prison and fine. The punishment can go up to 7 years. Section 354C incorporates that watching or capturing images of a woman without her consent. And the punishment could for this could be 3 years to and prison and fine.